Hi everyone, welcome to Edgewood College. I am a professor of computing and information sciences. I'm Atri Sinha and I'm going to talk to you about some of the transfer pathways available to you when you're considering transferring to Edgewood to do a CIS major. So when you're considering why do I need to finish a bachelor's degree, well, you have done the hardest part, that is choosing to get a college education. Now, obtaining a four-year degree at Edgewood in the CIS field would help open more doors than that could otherwise remain closed. So a CIS major at Edgewood would provide you a more in-depth and well-rounded education and would give you not only the theoretical foundations but also the practical the practical skills necessary for solving ethically real-world problems and would also prepare you for the ever-changing technological needs. As evident from this graph, from this data here, with the bachelor's degree, you can usually find high-paying positions. So, as a bachelor's degree holder, you will have a wider range of career opportunities within the computing and IT field, and some options may include computer programmer, computer systems analyst, information security analyst, software developer, and many more. This is just the information that was pulled up from the 2020 data as was supplied by the Bureau of Labor Statistics. And usually 100% of our Edgewood College CIS graduates are employed full-time within 6 months of graduation. And a lot of times our CIS students get jobs, and most of them get jobs even before graduating due to the high demand of the field. Now I'm going to talk to you about some of the CIS majors and minors that are available at Edgewood College that you can pursue. So we have CIS major, which is Computer Information Systems, and we have these concentrations available. If you're interested in web software development or mobile development or cybersecurity, data science, computational neuroscience, or business, then you can choose those concentrations to do a CIS major. We even have a CIS business combined major that kind of mixes the CIS concepts along with some of the business courses and gives you like a holistic understanding of both the worlds. And we also have a web design and development major that kind of provides you a strong foundation of graphic design as well as computing related skills and prepares you for jobs in the rapidly growing area of web design and development. We also have some minors in computer information systems as well as computer science teaching, and web design and development. Some of our program highlights include providing a high quality practical education, and our students develop critical thinking and problem solving abilities, and our students are prepared for the ever changing technological needs. And with our high placement rate and internship opportunities, with our well-established industry partnerships and high average salaries, we provide a great value for money and a wonderful, well-rounded education. Edgewood's Liberal Arts Foundation and our small class sizes, our one-to-one student interaction, and our undergraduate student research opportunities and other, partnership, outreach opportunities, and student development activities. They all kind of gives you a great experience that you would seek in an undergraduate curriculum. Overall, it helps you build a strong communication and soft skills that are necessary absolutely to thrive in the field of computing and IT. A lot of times, some students think that, okay, if I am going to pursue a career in computing or IT, I probably will end up just coding or, sitting idly in a cubicle and just working by myself in front of a computer the whole day. That is absolutely a myth. And what's absolutely important is to have that strong communication and soft skills and constantly working with everyone. So that is something which is really important, and we make sure our students understand and build that. We also have an Edgewood Empowered, which is a student-led organization, and their students come and gather and they talk about and brainstorm about different projects that they're passionate about. For example, our students sometimes chat about different projects they're interested in related to computing, and they could work on Raspberry Pi or robotics, or sometimes even just informally gather to uh, play games or see movies and so on. Now, I'm going to talk to you very quickly about some of the curriculum pathways that we have if you're considering transferring to Edgewood, especially from Madison College. If you have an associate degree from Madison College in either an IT mobile application developer or IT web software developer track, then we have efficient pathways for you to directly transfer to our CIS major in mobile development concentration and web software development concentrations, respectively. It's important to note that you actually can transfer to our CIS major in any concentration if you whatever you wish, but the most efficient pathway with the minimal number of courses as is designed in our according to our ITCIS transfer guide has been created for these particular concentrations. But feel free to choose any concentration that you would like. And, a completion of your AS degree would guarantee at least 43 and up to 64 degree transfer credits based on the kind of courses you select, including at least 34 transfer credits in the CIS major. And you can finish the CIS major in at least as little as 2 years at Edgewood College. Here is a glimpse of, the kind of courses that you have to take in the mobile development concentration if you graduated with an associate degree from Madison College as an IT mobile applications developer. So if you want to pursue a CIS major in mobile development concentration, then in your junior year, you just have to take Network Fundamentals and Business 298, 299. And in spring, you have to take Agile 302 and project management along with a few gen ed courses. And then in your senior year, you have to take a few more gen ed courses and our CIS capstone project. It's important to note that you may have some reduced gen ed requirements because you are transferring from your AS degree to a degree completion, bachelor's degree completion. For the specific requirements that would apply in your case, please talk to one of the advisors when you're considering transferring to us. And as I said earlier, you may actually pursue an additional concentration or even go for a different concentration if you like. So this is just some of the mapped courses if you choose to, for example, graduate with the cybersecurity concentration or business concentration. Similar courses are also available for you if you choose to pursue other concentrations such as data science or computational neuroscience. We also have similar mapped courses for the IT web software developer to the web software development concentration. And feel free to look at that or also visit our website for more details about it. And now I'm going to tell you a little bit more about how to apply. So as I said earlier, please visit our website, and it's edgewood.edu/admission/transfer-students. So as part of our agreement with Madison College, if you have a GPA of 2.0 or higher, you get a guaranteed admission, and you can transfer up to 64 credits. And you must earn up in a minimum of 32 credits at Edgewood College, including the required work in your major. And for graduating with a BS degree, you have to earn 120 degrees total. So you see up to 64 credits kind of takes you more than halfway. And you can actually finish in less than or almost in 2 years. As part of our application, Madison College students can actually use the code 013 for getting an application fee waiver as well. There is a lot of financial aid and scholarships available for students who sometimes are unaware and do not consider initially transferring to, private colleges. We do have a lot of scholarship, as I said. For example, we have the transfer distinguished scholarship, which is and all of these scholarships are merit based and competitive. Some of them are competitive. So for example, the distinguished scholarship, if you have a GPA of 3.5 or higher, you automatically get are eligible for that, and you can get up to as much as $10,000 per year. We have the excellence transfer excellence scholarship, and that would award you $8,000 a year if you have a GPA of 3.25 or higher, and the transfer honor scholarship gives you 6,000 per year, and the achievement scholarship awards you 4,000 per year. We also have some competitive award for students who are transferring directly from Madison College to Edgewood College, and if they had earned a GPA of 3.0 in at least 27 credits, they can apply for the Madison College Partnership Award. So please feel free to apply, and don't let the tuition and anything stop you. Make sure you apply for financial aid when you apply for the transfer. If you have any questions at any time, you can always reach me via my email. My email is asinha at edgewood.edu. And please visit our websites. The top link that I have provided here is our informational link for our CIS undergraduate program. The second one is it has specific information about all the transfer equivalencies and transfer program related information. And if you have any questions, let me know. Most likely, if you are coming to Edgewood, I'll see you if you are definitely transferring to our CIS program. So good luck while choosing your college.